Hey, this is Black Oozman here, part 2 of Duck Life Evolution. After what seemed to be forever, I finally got all of this done. So what do you do? Is find that and beat boss. Okay, ready? Go! Alright, where is everything's at full. Oh, yeah, I see. What the heck was that? I guess I could say Zolder, come on! That was easy, I just got it. Finally, here. Okay, let's go! Dun, 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 dun. That was easy. That was easy. Over the ship. Oh my god, it's a Titanic. Oh my god, it's a Titanic. I'm jumping because that was easy. Final fight. Final fight. It looks so shiny! Is this? Yeah, yes it is. Oh my god, I'm in love with it. I have legs! Oh my. Oh, I have legs! Oh, I have legs! What the fuck? What's the fire truck? So fast as she has me. That one. I didn't use it. Big pond. Oh shoot, someone's going to come. Go back out, go birthday with the feet. How am I losing? Poop. I want to do this right now. Oh my god! He's a shot out of a cannon. What the heck? Oh wow, this is not harder. Don't move. Go in behind. Stupid. How are you still at ground? You don't have legs, still retarded. Stupid. Oh! Let's try this now. Keyboards. I don't know why it does this. Turn all the buttons I can, it's not really. Oh my god! I'm going up that one. That's the thing. This is easy. This is easy. I'm gonna do that for all the ones. I'm trying to actually try to see how to come out of them. Ladies and gentlemen, I have no idea what exactly these objects are. I'm just jumping on them. No! Let's keep this one. I'm not trusting anything. Just going on its own. Something like turn around and stupid. No! This isn't hard anymore. Oh, gosh, I almost got hit by a giant watermelon. No. Keep jumping. I'll be right back. Well, I just have to keep pressing space bar and listen. Where are these? Just every time I do. Oh, I love them. I'm not gonna I just want to. No! Oh, how did you do that? Hit the tennis ball! No! Why God, shoot anything? Yes. Guess we next shot I have to do manual. Oh my gosh, satellite TV! So you know this one looks like a shoot this one. That one's hard to do. And then there's swimming. So let's just go X. Different. Oh, fruit twice the kilometers. That's right. Two. Especially for keyboards like this. Ah! But yeah, you just can see the difference. Okay, then to see how. So now that you've seen everything, like all the different maps and all that stuff, I think I'm ready to go, and then I'll bring you guys right back as soon as I get this guy full check. Okay? Yeah, okay? See ya.